One of the best way to organize your con ten t and impress your reader is using table of con ten t, and that is why in today's video I'm going to show you how to create automatic table of con ten t with page numbers in Microsoft Word. In order to create the table of con ten t in Microsoft Word, I have this demo document that I want to use as an illustration so that you can understand better. Now in order to get started, I'm going to make use of this section and the reference section here. So firstly, let's begin with this one. So I'm going to click on this one, then I'm going to come to this section. I'll click on heading 1. So I'm going to add heading 1 to all the important items on the page, that is the title. I'm going to add heading 1 to all of them. So I'm going to come to this section as well. I'm going to add heading 1. So that's why I'm going to scroll to the whole section and add heading 1 to the titles. So after I'm done adding heading 1 to the title, I'm still going to add heading 2 to the subtitle and sub elements. So I'm going to add heading 1 to all of these title. So this one also will be heading 1, as you can see. Now right now I'm done adding heading 1 to the title. So I'm going to scroll to the top, then I'll come to this section. These are the subterms. So I'm going to click on heading 2. So then right click on this section, click on modify so that the text can be bold. So I'm going to change the color first. So then I'll click on this section to bold it, click on B in order to make it bold. Then I'm going to increase the font size as well to something like 16. So the font size is going to be 16. So then I'll click on automatically update, then I'll click on OK, as you can see. So I'll also come to this section and click on heading 2. So that's how I'm going to apply heading 2 to all these subtitle or sub headings. So this one will also be heading 2 as well. So we are done adding the whole heading both for heading 1 and heading 2. So if you have more sub sections, you can apply heading 3 and so on and so forth. But here I'm going to stop at heading 2. Now we are done adding the headings. So in order to insert the table of con ten t, firstly I'm going to insert a new blank page. So to insert the blank page, click on insert, then come to this section, click on blank page. As you can see, I have blank page at the top here. So this is where I'm going to place the table of con ten t. In order to insert the table of con ten t, I'm going to come to this section, then I'll click on references. So under the references, I'll click on table of con ten t, then I will select this second one, which is automatic table 2. Click on it. Then as you can see, it has been applied. So everything is looking too small, so I wanted to make it bold. So I will highlight everything, then I'll click on bold in order to make it bold. Then I'll also increase the font size to something like 15. So I will increase it to 15, then press OK. As you can see, it is bold already. Up next is to apply page numbers. So in order to insert the page number, come to this section, click on insert, then click on page numbers, then select bottom of page. Then you can select from any of the formats here. So feel free to select any one you like. So you can scroll down to see any one you like to use, but I'm going to use this one. So click on it. After that, click on close header and footer. So here you have it. As you can see, this is page 1. The whole page is, we have 7 pages. So this is page 1 out of 7, while the second page will be page 2 out of 7. So this is how you can add table of contents and also add page number in Microsoft Word. If you really enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.